Greetings, everybody. My name is Drew Bagby. I'm a librarian at Front Range Community College, Larimer Campus, Harmony Library. Today I'd like to show you how to access ProQuest-U.S. news stream database via the PooterLibraries.org website. If you've been here in the past, you'll notice that the website has been updated recently. Things that you might have found under research are now under something called Research and Learn. Occasionally, depending on your screen size, you might see that information across the top of the screen here in this area, but the same menus can be accessed using the hamburger icon over here near the top right corner of your screen. If you click on that icon, you'll see the Research and Learn drop-down menu. From here, you'll select FRCC databases. If you're an FRCC student or faculty member, you'll be using your S number and your password to log into the database eventually. If you're a public patron, you will only have access to the databases from FRCC in the library. If you scroll down the page, you'll notice that we have access to services for students as well as frequently asked questions. But what we're looking for is the database US News Stream. You can search using the alphabetical search bar up here. Let's just click on the U, and here is US News Stream. Again, you'll notice the message below, library use only. FRCC students, instructors, and staff may log in remotely using their S numbers. Let's click on the news stream. And from here, we'll just click on Colorado Community College Login. You're going to log in to the database using your S number and your password. And this is US News Stream. Like I said, it's a ProQuest database, so it will have a typical look and feel like most ProQuest databases do. And scroll down here, we'll see, again, lots of newspaper access from Los Angeles to Chicago to the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, etc. If you want to search this publication, it's pretty simple. We can just do a basic keyword search right here in this search bar. Today I'm going to search for genetic engineering. Notice we've got 68,041 results here. Our terms that we searched for should be highlighted in light blue. I'm going to go ahead and put quotation marks around this term or this phrase so that we'll be doing an exact phrase search. Notice that we cut our results almost in half by just putting things in quotation marks. This tells the database to search that exact phrase and not just each individual word. Notice you got multiple different types of resources over here on the side. We have scholarly journal articles, not too many, but obviously we're going to have mostly newspaper articles since this is a newspaper database. And then you can also adjust the date range that you're looking at. And now we've only got 3,794 results to worry about. Still a lot, but much better than 66,000 plus. With this basic keyword search, you'll notice that we have access to many different news resources. The Daily Beast, here's the PR Newswire from New York, here's an article from the Boston Globe in Boston, Massachusetts. And furthermore, you can just keep scanning and see that you can get articles from pretty much anywhere in the country. Let's go back out to the main page for US News Stream, and let's take a look at the advanced search. Here you can add your search terms and include multiple search terms to create a search string. So we'll start with genetic engineering again, and remember your quotation marks. And then let's just do a quick and easy keyword search for ethics. So genetic engineering and ethics. And let's limit this to the last 12 months. We've only got 56 results, but that's not bad. It's an easy list to manage, and we might be able to find something pretty quickly about genetics and ethics. Again, notice that your terms are going to be highlighted in light blue. Let's take a look at a record now. So you'll have the full text of the article. You can read it in the browser if you'd so choose. Or up in the right-hand corner, you'll see that you can save it as a PDF. You have the option to cite it. You can email it to yourself. And then if you click on this last bubble here, it'll give you all of the saving and exporting options that are available through this database. Let's go back out to the US Newsstream homepage. And now let's click on Publications. This is where you can search for specific publications. There are 1,275 publications available, including the New York Times and even the Fort Collins, Colorado one. If you type in your publication and click on search, anything that has your publication terms then will come back. We have 7 publications relating to the Times. Well, actually 6, because the one on the bottom really does not relate to the New York Times. But if you click on the New York Times Late Edition, that will be the edition that we see in print, and you can search within this publication for your search terms. Again, let's do genetic engineering and type out our search string by including the AND operator and the term issues. Notice that we have 972 results coming back. It's a smaller number because we're only searching the New York Times, but that's still a lot of results. So we can go back down and change the date range by sliding the date range over, updating that, and now we have 138, much easier to manage, and you might be able to find something rather quick if this is the topic you're looking for.